Good morning guys, kasi time check, it's already 9:22 in the morning, and today is Sunday, and tomorrow pick up time for my friend, and I'm just gonna get ready, not really like getting ready like makeup fall. I just wanna put something on my face, very light lang, because I am going to the grocery guys. I'm looking for my beloved eyebrow pencil, the Ofra guys, yung Ofra na maliit. Hindi ko makikita kasi I need to put something on top of this cabinet and on top of this drawer because I don't want any makeup stain in this drawer. Yeah, so ito guys, sobrang liit na niya. Mag-eyebrow lang ako. I'm just gonna pick up some grocery for tomorrow. It's not like crazy grocery guys. It's yeah, simple lang naman yung grocery ko guys. It's just very, anong tawag nito? Egg. I need to buy more egg because alam nyo na, breakfast. And also I need to get some I'm planning to make some steak tomorrow, dinner. So yun ang plan ko, steak. Anyway guys, good morning sa lahat. Hindi na ako nagba-vlog this morning to go downstairs, do my thing, the routine, because it's kinda annoying guys. I'm sure you guys get annoyed with that dog. You know, like, I mean, you love the dog guys, but all the time, like every morning na lang gayud, ay nako. So, iba naman, ibahin natin to. And also, I was talking to my friend Leonore from Queens also. She has a daughter. And I think she's coming, I think. She have to ask her husband. She said she will ask her husband if he'll let her to come here. No, because they have kids. So, I like this. This is also Maybelline, the Fall in Soft Mascara. And, what else do I need? At saka, hindi na ako magpa-foundation. Ang ilagay ko na lang is L'Oreal True Match Mineral Powder. Yep, this is what I'm gonna do. It's broken na guys, oh. Ano, naguba na siya guys. It's broken na talaga guys. Look, I've been using this one because I hit the bottom already. So, she said she's going to come here. I would love them to come here, over here. Okay, let's try to conceal those things. Conceal those things over here. Yeah, like that. Just try, you know. Hindi talaga siya iba siya, nagda-dry out pala ay. Sus, nagda-dry sa mouth ay. Ito na lang mineral powder. So anyway, hopefully guys, she can come here, that she can visit upstate. I have to put some lipstick on that I'm not looking. Pencil siya guys. Retractable. Kita-kits tayo later guys ha, kasi mag-ano lang ako, mag-review ng kung anong bilhin ko bago ako pumunta doon. So, i-review ko lang ito. Babalikan kita later. Let's go out. Okay, let's go out. Yes. Let's go, my love. Oh, masakit yung likuran ko. Tignan nyo. Who's here? Hi! Hi! Hi, dear Bulot. You're such a fat... Roxy, stop doing that to your sister. Oy! Okay, let's go out. Go to bed. What is this? She keep running. She keep following me and then run. She tried to tell me something that dry food. Look, if I walk towards her, she run. Look. She gonna go to the office. What are you waiting then? Look, she's looking for dry food. Not yet, Dems. You don't eat your breakfast. Go eat your breakfast, Dimpulert. Good afternoon, guys. I just been talking to my friend. That's why I'm still here. I supposedly be already in the grocery store or back already. Back because I was talking to them. So, Leonore, my friend, is coming with her kids. So, yeah. So, I was talking to Remy. I was talking to Leonore. And so, now it's 12 o'clock. And... guys, the problem, if you go to the grocery store hungry, you end up like buying everything, whatever you see. So before I go, I'm going to eat. lunches. I have just rice and my mongo left over. Maliit lang kainin ko, baka magbuto yung tiyan ko ba. Maliit lang, pero marami. Makabusog na kasi. It makes you really full, this mongo bean. Guys, can I just tell you something? I don't like grocery. I don't like it. I'd rather be home. I don't know, guys. I'd rather be with my friends, going out somewhere, or be home. Just that too. But as you know, I always home. And instead of going grocery, shopping, I always like, go what I need, go get it, let's go get it, and then go out. That's it. I don't wanna like, oh my god, grocery. Ay nako guys, nakakaloka. I plan also to film Chubby Bunny challenge, so I guess I have to get more of marshmallow. Bye guys, I will see you 1, 2, 3. Nakababalik ko lang guys. So ito yung binili ko guys. So I got milk. I got milk and mayo because I decided to make a macaroni salad. Rice, jasmine. This is gonna be the last time I'm gonna buy this. It's expensive. Jasmine rice. It's a good rice. It's expensive, but. And I got pineapple, broccoli rub. I'll cook it tonight. At saka salad because yung husband ko mahilig sa salad. So, yun. Carrots, garlic, onion, red bell pepper, celery. Mahal dun na. Ayaw ko na magshago. Siri dun. Sobrang mahal. And also, itong cucumber, dalawa. Marshmallow because I add marshmallow for the game. And also, I get some chicheria. Ano ito, guys? Favorito ko. Cheetos Crunchy. At saka, dalawa yan. At saka ito, Elbows pasta for macaroni salad. And also, my cereal that I started liking it. And ano pa ba? Ginger. My mother-in-law love apple pie. And maybe my friend would love apple pie too. So, there's an apple pie over there. My favorite, the Suavadel. It smells so good. And 2 dozens of eggs. Yun lang naman, guys. Ayan, I will tell you a story, guys. When I went to the grocery store, I carry my phone. I pick up the thing, and I hold my phone like this, with the purse in here. And what happened was, I started deleting what I wrote. Okay? It's ridiculous. I tried to retrieve it. I tried to look if maybe I can undo what I did. Na-delete lahat, guys. Delete talaga lahat. Nabuing ako, guys. Doon ako sa tindahan. Nagyaw-yaw ko, guys. Nagmurmuring ko. Welcome back, flower! I bring the flower back inside, guys, kasi this I really did bought this for inside flower, inside like, you know, green something, but because it's been outside for like months and months already. It's been months that they're outside because, you know, I want it to be grown. This one is almost died, guys, but look at it, guys. Look how pretty is that. It's growing. I cut the edges here. I cut this right here. It's growing. This is growing up. So I need to trim slowly. Look how good is that. It's growing really good. I'm happy with my flower. The bonsai. It's a different kind of bonsai, guys. Roxy! Come in here. You start looking something. Come here. Come. You happy, huh? Are you happy, Mitika? Tiruk. I am cleaning broccoli rub, guys. Ay, nako, may nahulog na basura. So, tapos na ako. I'm done cutting all the thing for my salad, my pasta, macaroni salad. That thing is done. This is the broccoli rub. I'm just going to transfer this to the container, and this one I'm gonna cook. So, when I was way back, when I was in the Philippines, alam nyo ba? Alam nyo naman, oy, nakikita nyo ito kay Reyes. Ganito din niluluto ng ano ko, kami. Sa bahay namin, yung Lego. Pero, I will tell you some stories, guys. I have one brother, guys, na grabe. Hindi naman grabe. Ano ba? Mahilig sa asin at saka sa tinapa. Sobrang hilig niya sa tinapa. At saka, and then, every time we, how do you call that? We went to like buy something, tinapa. He opened one can. And then you know what he does? He put a tons of salt and vinegar and soy. Yung tuyo ba sa atin tuyo? Yung okay. Ang gagawin ko, salt, and then pepper. So, yun. At saka din, luto na siya. I-mix ko siya, guys. I can cut half with the tinapa, pero hindi ko siya gustong durog na durog. As in, I don't want it like squish and everything. So, yun. Hindi ko na siya lagyan ng soy kasi I'm gonna have vinegar and lemon. So, ito yung guys, tinapa. Basa-basa siya, diba? It's nag-moist. Hay, nako. Why? I don't understand. Why nga no people doesn't like moist? Moist is a freaking English word. The heck? It's moist, guys. So, it's moist. And broccoli wrap, the one that I cook. I'm just gonna have something for dinner. Anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you later. After this one, I'm just gonna transfer the rice to the container, and then I'm gonna take a shower, and then edit the video for Tuesday, and then that's really it. So edit the video and go to sleep because I'm going to be early tomorrow, and that's what is my thing tomorrow. So I have already bed sheets over there for my friends to be lying down on the floor. I cover it, and then I put it over there to wash it tomorrow morning. And then when I get home from picking them up, I'm gonna put it in the dryer that it's like fresh. And thank you guys so much for watching, and please watch out for tomorrow's video because my friend's gonna be here. I will see you tomorrow, and thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Ciao guys. Good night. See you tomorrow early with me. Bye. Sunflower. But now I saw them. Oh my god. Look at this. What is one? Look at this. What